What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from my home office here in Austin, Texas. What are we talking about today? We're going to talk about how you, yes, you can maximize your pouch space using hook and loop tape. It should go without saying, but I'm gonna say it anyway. I have a lot of EDC pouches. Yo, I got a lot of freaking pouches over here. I have pouches of every shape and size. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that my favorite EDC pouch is the Viperade VE15. It's essentially the perfect EDC pouch for me, but I also have a variety of clamshell organizers and pouches, and that's what we're going to talk about today. One of my favorite EDC pouches is the Garage Built Gear Mighty Pouch, and the reason that I like it so much is because it's the perfect height for the EDC gear that I carry. I carry small knives, small pens, small flashlights, things of that nature. So with the Garage Built Gear Mighty Pouch, everything tends to fit just fine. There are other pouches that I have, like this Viperade VE26, where something happens once I get it filled up with gear. I end up with this cavernous space at the top of my pouch.
Explore the space.
You give it the old squeeze test from the bottom, it's nice and full. You give it the squeeze test from the top and that's kind of sad. Now, I happen to have two different versions of this same pouch. I have this orange version, and then I have this donut-themed version from Crispy Donut Community. Can you spot any differences? You'll notice that there's room at the top of this pouch to store 4 additional pieces of gear. And how is that possible? All through the magic of hook and loop. Yeah, that's right. Those are just some basic pill canisters and other assorted things that I attached hook tape to, but I attached loop tape to the top of the Crispy Donut Community Viperade pouch, and that made all of that possible. So how do you add the loop tape to this area? Well, I got news for you, Pocket Theory. It is not complicated at all. All you need to do is get some of this loop tape off of Amazon. It has some very sturdy 3M adhesive that's gonna keep it in position. You cut a strip of it off in the approximate size, and you fit it in there. You just kind of have to do a little bit of trial and error. I actually like to use some fingernail clippers to clip off the corners, and it gives you a nice rounded appearance. And then you just peel off the sticky backing, and you stick it down. It could not be any easier. We'll do the same thing on the other side. And voila, you just added some loop field to your pouch. Now you can take any capsule or any accessory that you want and add some hook tape to the back of it, like this shotgun shell, which is actually a little sewing kit on the inside. With the hook tape on the back, you can just stick it in the pouch and it's not gonna fall. I have this little sliding box that I got from CountyCom. I don't like breath mints. I don't like mint at all, but I do like cinnamon gum, so I keep some cinnamon trident in here for fresh breath. All you have to do is add some hook tape to the back of it. The hook tape comes from Amazon as well. It has the same 3M adhesive on the back. You cut a piece to the appropriate size and then stick it to the back of your container. And just like that, you can secure it to the pouch, and that's not gonna fall either. Now understand, when you zip this up, give it the squeeze test now. Yeah, that's right, it's completely full. You have maximized your pouch space. You are now occupying space in the pouch that would have been otherwise empty. For the Crispy Donut pouch, I was actually able to find pink loop, and then I found these awesome little pill canisters on Amazon and put some hook tape on that, and they fit perfectly, and they look fantastic. This works especially well in a pouch like the ZeroFeud Compact Utility Pouch. Why? Because it's already a smaller pouch where you need to maximize space. So look here, I'm able to get a set of nail clippers at the top. I'm able to get a pill capsule at the top, just using the loop field. And when you close it, it doesn't make the pouch bulge out in an obscene way. It's flawless. It's beautiful. This can also work with a Maxpedition organizer. Before, all I could do was stash a Sharpie Mini up here in the Maxpedition tag. With the hook and loop installed, I have room for my new Steinwhale stubby bit driver and bit set, which is fucking amazing. And I can still fit the Sharpie Mini in the middle. In fact, if you're really creative, you can use hook and loop to take an old pouch and repurpose it into something completely new. Oh, but that's for another video. Who knew that hook and loop could be so handy? Well, I guess actually I did, but I hope this helps you maximize. Where the fuck is that coming from? I hope this helps you maximize your pouch space and get more out of your everyday carry. Be creative with your EDC. Think outside the box, guys. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.